Do you work in the cellular industry? Need to know about 4G? In order to make decisions, sometimes you need to buy research. But which research company do you rely on? MOSA Ready Rethink has a new service. It is for people who want to know about the top 100 cellular operators anywhere in the world. We call it MOSA. This stands for Mobile Operator Strategy Analysis. This service is the only operator tracking service profiling the leading cell companies and how they are developing their wireless infrastructures to accommodate 4G. We asked a number of people who buy research what they wanted to know, and then we built the service from the ground up. Our customers told us they wanted some hard data and some insight from experts. They said they wanted easily digestible, written profiles explaining the operators, then they wanted a lot of detail about what spectrum they used, how they plan to build their future networks, and how they would back all these networks to their core networks. More than anything, they said they wanted to know what each operator specialised in and what they would be spending their money on. This is called CapEx, or capital expenditure, and is usually very secret. Because these operators have known us for many years, they were happy to give us that kind of detail. Another database they requested was to understand what radio spectrum was up for grabs in each country and when. Also, the MOSA hard data includes a spectrum database, radioactive network trends, forecasts of what kinds of base stations these big operators will use, and what type of equipment they will install in their core networks. The information in MOSA is updated continuously by a dedicated team of hardworking analysts who talk to everyone in the market every quarter. In turn, we thought it would be a good idea to tell these operators what the various suppliers are like and what they are good at. Sometimes we call this a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and a threat analysis, or SWOT for short. And we've used this to rank all the leading operators and their suppliers too. Here is a list of what we provide details on. Small cells and HEPNet, cloud RAN and distributed RAN, advanced backhaul strategies, carrier Wi-Fi, TD-LTE, evolved packet core, caching and video traffic, RCS, voice and VoLTE, LTE key features, SON, and virtualization. The key thing is that if you want to know about the biggest companies in the biggest business in the world, then we have all you can eat. And MOSA gives you this data in bite-sized chunks. You can download all of this in an Excel file if you want. And once a quarter, we take a look at all the new data and write our own in-depth quarterly reports. And if you're still lost, our experts can answer any queries you may have.